Finalists. In 1910, a famous scientist wrote, "Certain bodies become luminous when heated. Their luminosity disappears after some time, but the capacity of becoming luminous afresh through heat is restored to them by the action of a spark, and also by the action of radium." Marie Curie was talking about physical substances, but she could have just as well been talking about people, because certain people, like all of you, become luminous when inspired. Your luminosity could disappear after some age, but the capacity of becoming luminous afresh through inspiration is restored to you by a spark. Let this contest be your spark, as it has been mine, and never let your luminosity dim. Marie Curie later wrote, "All my life through, the new sights of nature made me rejoice like a child." Scientists are simply children who never grow up. They never lose their childlike sense of wonder. So in this moment, when each of you is going from youth towards adulthood, let joyous curiosity guide you. I hope I myself haven't grown up. I turned 30 years old this year. I know, unimaginably old. The Young Scientist Challenge literally splits my life in two. I was where you are now 15 years ago, in 2010. Exactly 100 years before that, in 1910, Marie Curie was soon to win her second Nobel Prize. She is the only person, man or woman, ever to win 2 Nobel Prizes in 2 different sciences. In World War I, Marie Curie used her discovery of radioactivity, for which she had won her first Nobel Prize, to create mobile X-ray units, affectionately called Petite Curies, which were used to treat over 1 million wounded soldiers in the war. Curie herself tragically died because of her own research. She suffered from complications due to radiation exposure, but she used her research to save other people's lives. Marie Curie did something else in the war. She tried to give away to the French government what little gold she had, including her gold Nobel Prize medals to support the war effort. She knew, in science and life, that some things are more important than prizes, like wonder and the good that can come of it. Regardless of who wins today, remember that we are gathered here to celebrate the wonder that each one of you has captured and conveyed. You now have amazing new friends and peers, and I hope you'll consider me one of those. You will go home with something far more valuable than any prize could ever be: the fellowship of dreamers and the friendship of those similar souls who cannot help but look more closely and think more deeply and delight like a child in nature's secrets. So congratulations to all of you, and may your future be full of wonder.
Thank you, Liam, and for your words of inspiration. We're so happy you could join us at 3M Innovation Center for the first time. Let's give Liam one more round of applause if we could, please. And Liam, I turned 30 19 years ago, so...